Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to allow Facebook to access photos and media on your device. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, head over to the Play Store on your Android device. Once you're there, type Facebook into the search bar and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll see 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to open the menu. Now scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Step 3. Within the Settings and Privacy section, keep scrolling until you reach the Your Activity section. Here you'll find an option called Device Permissions. Tap on it. Step 4. In the Device Permissions section, you'll see various permissions that Facebook can request. Look for the Photos and Media option and tap on it. Step 5. Once you've tapped on Photos and Media, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can update your settings. Tap on Update Settings. Step 6. Next, you'll see an option that says Open Device Settings. Tap on it. Step 7. You will now be redirected to your device's settings menu. Scroll down until you find App Permissions and tap on it. Step 8. Within the App Permissions menu, look for the Photos and Media option and tap on it. Step 9. Finally, you'll see an option to allow Facebook to access your photos and media. Tap on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed Facebook to access your photos and media on your Android device. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy Facebooking.